Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Mercy Jerry. So today we are in Pema Estate. So this house is for rent. It's a 3-bedroom. It's an old compound and it's going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So if you're looking for a house to rent, maybe you can consider this one. So I want to show you the whole house so that you can see whether this is what you might be looking for. So if you love this kind of content, you can consider liking the video, commenting, and also subscribing to the channel. It will go a mile away. So let's go and tour this house. Let's go. This is the living room of this particular house, as you can see right there. So it's a very spacious living room. So if you're looking for a family home, this is perfect for a family home. Then this is the dining area. As you can see, we have a sink right there and also have that window right there. So we also have that space right there, which is an extra space. And the kitchen is right here with the brown cabinets. Very, very nice. And then it comes with an SQ. So let me show you this side. So that's the SQ. So currently the caretaker is living right there. And then you have this space right here. So yeah. So that's the kitchen. So let me show you. It is a 3-bedroom. Let me show you the rest of the bedrooms. So you can still access the living room from this side. Can you see? That is where we came from. So then accessing the living room, we went this way. Can you see? But you can still use this route right here. And then, so let's go to the master bedroom. So we have, first of all, we have this common toilet right here. So this is a common toilet here, which can be used by anyone. And then we have this sink right here. Then the corridor looks like that. And then this is the master bedroom. Quite spacious. And the wardrobes, look at that. So yeah, let me know what you think about this master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and the closets look like that. The windows are very, very quite huge. So the natural light here is very, very nice. So then we have since it's en suite, this is the washroom of the master bedroom. We have, I love the way they have separated, like, you know, the toilet, look at that. And then this is where the shower is supposed to be. Then we have the sink right there. So it's quite a nice one. Then tile work looks like that. So let's go to the rest of the bedrooms. So I've shown you the master bedroom, and then this is the common toilet, and then now we have the rest of the 2 bedrooms, which also have a common toilet for the 2 bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. The tile looks like that, and then we have that window right there, and then we have the closet right there. So yeah, that's it about this bedroom. Most of them, and then the color of the wall is light. Is it light green? Yeah, it's light green, and that's how it looks like. So yeah, and then so the 2 bedrooms, these 2 bedrooms share this common toilet here. Not the common toilet, like they have a toilet on their own, which also this washroom, they share this washroom. So in total of this house, we have 3 washrooms. The one on the master bedroom, the extra one there for the people, maybe for the visitors, and then we have this one for the 2 bedrooms. So this is the last bedroom right here. That is the color of the tiles, and then the walls, the windows, and yeah, things. So that's the closet right there, and they're pretty spacious. So they're going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings, located in Pema Estate. Pema Estate, it's an own compound actually in a gated community. So yeah, I think I've shown you all the rooms. So if you're looking for a house to rent, this one is not for sale, it's for rent. So if at all you're looking for a house to rent here in Nakuru, in Pema Estate, you can consider this one for 35,000 Kenyan shillings. This is what you get here. So yeah, so let me know what you think about this house from what I've shown you. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the kitchen, about the floor. The floor work of the kitchen looks like that, which is also for the living room. So yeah, so I think that's it. Let me know what you think. So guys, that is the tour of this 3-bedroom bungalow own compound, which is located here in Pema Estate. So if you're looking for a house to rent, you can consider this house. It has an SQO, it's a 3-bedroom going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So if you're interested, you can come, you can call us on the number on your screen for site visit so that we can bring you to see this particular house. So until next time, I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.